Hey guys, Jacob Wright from MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Today I have the pleasure of showing you the Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. This is their bay boat hybrid style of a boat, and is actually my personal favorite, under 30 foot. It's got not quite as high of gunwale size as an offshore boat, but a little bit higher than most traditional bay boats. The boat sits on top of the waves and the water very well, because the hull is completely composite foam filled. So it does sit on top of the water, which allows a lot more of a higher side feel to it, but you're still not losing the draft that you can get in a bay boat. Now, let's go see what it's powered with. All right, now that we're up here in the stern of the boat, I want you to notice that this does have a fold down bench seat. This converts it into a nice big aft casting platform. So when you're hooked up to those fish, you have front and back to be able to use the boat to fish off of. This one's powered with twin 300 Mercuries. This is actually a little bit more horsepower than the traditional 270 Dauntless. The standard outboards that come with this one is a 225, so you do get a lot more speed with these 300s. If you do have more people that go with you and you don't want to fish, like I said, this is an aft bench seat, so it does flip up and convert into a very, very nice folding bench seat. Here at the seat, we do have the nice upgraded live well, nice wash down, and a cooler storage underneath. As we work our way forward, this one has a very large Simrad screen, the Mercury view, so you always know how your outboards are performing, the voltage, fuel level, RPMs, etc. This does have the nice digital throttle system, makes transitioning in and out of gear super seamless and very easy. Fusion audio head, so you have great music, you can hear it from anywhere around the boat. Really, you're gonna be heard. Let's finish up at the front. And now that we're up here at the bow, you did just notice, this is actually my favorite part about the whole boat, is this massive coffin lounger that you have here. It's excellent for your spouses to be able to just kick back, relax, and enjoy the boat ride while you're fishing and or operating. This also is a very, very large storage compartment. As you can see, all the cushions for the bow are stored away in there, and there's still extra room. Whereas right now it's set up without the cushions, so this is set up for fishing. If you guys had leisure in the mix, you just put the cushions on there. There is a bow filler station right here, so it makes it even bigger as well. And finally, this boat does come with a windlass anchor, so you don't have to hassle with the rope and pull it up from the bottom if you're fishing 200 foot of water. That does get pretty strenuous and stressful, but the windlass anchor makes it super easy. If you want to know more about this boat or come see it or take it on the water for a test ride, please come see me. My name is Jacob Wright at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. You can reach me at 850-819-9106. And don't forget, it's all about making memories on the water.